In this video, we're going to explain to you our business model and all the key elements. First, explaining our value proposition. We have information management, which is the information that the drone sends on site to the firemen and brigade teams, and as well as providing them safety for both the firemen and the brigade teams, so they don't need to enter directly into the wildfire in order to have a safety precaution for their life. Which are key activities? Well, they are the following. The development of the information system, which is how the information that our drone gives is read by the brigades and fire teams, and the drone manufacturing. How can we make this as cheap for us as possible to produce? Finally, the workshops and calibration so that they know exactly how to use it and that the information that they have is exactly the one that they need. Our customers, well, they can be divided into the following. The government, which can also be divided into the National Forest Commission, the Secretary of Natural Resources and the Environment, local fire departments of each county here in Mexico, and also private owners who wish to have specific information about specifically their crops. So to achieve this, we have three main costs. The first one, the manufacturing of the modular drone, which includes the components of our drone and also the sensors that we will be able to give, as well as the software design and maintenance, and finally the workshops that we will be giving to the firemen and the brigade teams. Our channels are the following. The direct contact of the customers that we have already established a relationship with, which includes the government and the commissions, as well as social media, TV, and the news, in order to get as much exposure as possible. To establish our customer relationships, we must ensure that they are long-term, direct, and frequent in order to deliver the best product as possible. Which are our key partners? Well, they are mainly part of our home institution, which is the Tecnológico de Monterrey, as well as the Central de Cambio, a hub for projects with social impact. Then we have the Centro de Diseño Electrónico, the design center of electronic parts, which has given us the practicity and the modularity of our parts. And finally, Elementario, a firm here in Guadalajara that dedicates itself to the use of drones in agriculture. In our key resources, we have both the copyright and intellectual property, as well as a team dedicated exclusively to research and development. And finally, on our revenue streams, we have the service that we apply to these customers, the workshops that we will give, and how we process this information in order to create a predictability model for future fires. And as you can see, all this is our business model. Thank you.